And when you take the iron, you're gonna always make sure the iron is facing this way, and then you get those ends as if you had a round brush in your hair, and then you slightly roll it. Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here. So I just wanted to share with you what I did. I'm gonna curl my whole head because last night I took a shower and I literally just put some volume mousse in my root, and this is how it dried when I woke up. I put some nice also oil on my hair. So now I'm gonna take a piece of hair and I wanna show you what iron I'm gonna use. Okay, so this is, I don't know if you can see it or not. I don't really know because I don't have my glasses on, so I just use whatever I have. And the size is about the size of a perfect brush. A perfect brush size that my hair would normally, I would use for blow dry my hair. Now I'm gonna take a piece just behind it. Now listen, I always think of when I do my hair like a ladder, you know, like a step, next step, next step, next step, next step. Like you're stepping up a ladder, but you're pulling the hair. Now I'm gonna pull it straight up, get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. And if some fall out, that's fine. Now I'm just gonna grab that piece. Because you know the back is the hardest to do. You could also turn this. Sometimes I like it to be like a DA, it's called, in the back. That means a duck's ass. And then so I could turn it a little bit while I'm going back, like that. And you just want to touch it to make sure it's heating up through. That's it. When it does, see how good it stays. Now I get the next piece. And now, so I'm working from my right side. All right, here we go. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. No, it didn't take enough, hold on. You know why? Because it's so soft, my hair is so soft. I didn't really put any texture stuff in there, except on the top. All right, now, and there's a couple different ways I could curl, but I'm just gonna curl it like a curler set. I wanna think like Marilyn Monroe, kind of like that really nice, soft, pretty curls. Okay, here we go. And when you take the iron, you're gonna always make sure the iron is facing this way, and then you get those ends as if you had a round brush in your hair, and then you slightly roll it. Just touch it, tap it, tap it, tap it. Yeah. Okay, you could take a clip if you want. I'm not such a big clipper just because I don't know. I just like to just do it, get it done. I don't like taking longer on something, but if you need to, you should. All right, just touch it. Touch it. And I'm just slowly turning it too. And I'm also letting them set. You know, I'm not brushing it out right away. Okay, now I gotta do this back. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. So those ends should go nice and smooth. If you did that curl iron backwards, you'd get a fish hook and it would kind of imprint it. You don't want those fish hooks. Okay, that. Now I'm gonna grab this bottom piece. Okay. You're gonna get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. And I'm gonna kind of pull it forward. And I'm not gonna go really fully to the root in that back because I want a little bit of the length. Make you see how pretty it comes out though. And it's really rather fast. It doesn't take too long. All right, this. I'm gonna grab it and nice and gentle, bring it forward and roll it back. I want to kind of let it sit like that. And this piece right here, comb it first, get it nice and smooth. You could use either or, the big side or the small side. Remember, I'm just curling this like you know, a roller set. So I'm giving it a little extra curl. I'm not just curling it and bringing it forward, except this one piece I did. Okay, this is my last piece right here. Here we go. Get those ends. Get those ends. And that's not a lot of hair on there. Always think the less hair you have on there, the quicker it's gonna be. All right, so let me just show you this side now. Yeah, so nice, so pretty, just fun. You know, I'll be ready for the day. And so look at the difference. Now, I could do two different ways. I could re-wet this with leave-in conditioner, Formula 18, that's what I was trying to think of. Formula 18 leave-in conditioner, and I could scrunch this, and then I could just curl my top and then have all this scrunchy. You know what I'm saying? But I just have it like feathered because you know what's back, right? Big hair, layers, and bangs. Huge this year. It's Chris Appleton, who is Kim Kardashian's hairdresser, put out what's the biggest trend this year. Big hair, layers, and bangs. And guess what? That's my sweet spot. That's what I do best. Big hair, layers, and bangs. So fun. I'm excited. We're ahead of the curve. So I'm a salon owner for Modern Techniques. And I also do life coaching. And I'm also a hypnotherapist. That's been my favorite thing, I have to say. Hypnotherapy removes blocks the quickest. Let me tell you, if you're a hairstylist or you're somebody that needs to remove blocks, it works the quickest. 6 sessions, done. You're released from all like the trauma and all the stuff that holds us back or that keeps us stuck or keeps us in a prison, right? That's what happens. So anyway, grab those ends, grab it. And if you like these videos, I would love for you to subscribe, and thank you for all of you that have subscribed. I'm gonna keep growing the channel, and I'm doing coaching. I also coach, not just mindset for people, I'm also coaching, hair. I coach about hair. So I have someone right now, she does wigs, and she wants to learn color and how to highlight wigs. So we do 6 sessions. I'm a 6 sessioner. Like, I'm gonna teach you what you need to know in 6 sessions. That's it. Because, you take all your experience, you take a decade, you put it into a day for somebody else. I've done a lot of training and educating to be able to, the more you teach, the better you get at helping somebody else turn the light bulb on, right? It's awareness. It's teaching people the things they don't know. You don't know what you don't know until somebody teaches you. But the color is really so much easier than you think. Just takes a little time. And let me tell you, it's her 3rd session. She is rocking it. And I just love that it's all connecting, because you teach in such a way that helps people, I want to say, follow through, take action, and give them wisdom and understanding in such simplicity. Einstein says, keep life as simple as possible, but not simpler. That means that you have to break it down so a baby can understand it. A little kid could understand. And it's so much easier that way. It's not complicated. All right, there we go. My cat is crying because he wants to go outside. All right, so now I'm gonna take this part, right? Excuse me, no. All right, so now I'm taking this big piece right here. Bring it forward, roll it back. I'm just gonna touch it. And I'm gonna slide a little to make sure I got those ends in there. Ooh. I'm just gonna flatten it for a second. All right, and then I think I have one more piece right here, and then my bang. All right, this piece I'm gonna bring forward. This is gonna be pretty fast because it's just like one small little piece on its own. But you see that little end right there? You need to make sure you get that in there. You have to slide that curling iron. Yeah, perfect. All right, now, sometimes I think, do I want this under or up? My bangs are long and I need to cut them. So I'm probably gonna do it forward and back. Maybe I'm gonna do it under and over. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do because I like the bang. Hides all the wrinkles. All right. Now, always mess it up a little and then set it the way you really want it to go. I'm not big on love that. Here we go. super easy, right? Didn't take too long. 10 minutes, done. Now I like to tease the back because I have like a whirl. I'm gonna tease this part. And then I like to fluff it a little in the back too. Just fluff, fluff. This reminds me of Grease, you know, like, what is her name? The lady that's like Frenchie. Reminds me of Frenchie or the other lady. Because it's really like the 1780s. All right, there we go. Yep, I'm just gonna spray it, set it, and forget it, and I'm done. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. God bless you all. And I love to see you next time. And please don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.